Achieving CMMC certification can be a complex and resource-intensive process. Follow these best practices to streamline the CMMC certification process. 1. Perform a thorough gap analysis. Identify gaps between existing practices and CMMC requirements. Use the findings to prioritize remediation efforts, focusing on critical vulnerabilities and deficiencies first. 2. Engage a registered practitioner organization, RPO. Partner with an RPO for valuable insights, training, and support. They will help you develop customized solutions that fit your specific needs. 3. Implement robust policies and procedures. Ensure all cybersecurity practices are well documented and aligned with CMMC requirements. Strive for consistency in the implementation and documentation of these practices across your organization. 4. Leverage technology and tools. Utilize vulnerability management systems, CM solutions, endpoint protection, continuous monitoring, and other technologies to detect and respond to security incidents promptly. 5. Regularly review and update practices. Establish a process for adapting to new threats and changes in the regulatory landscape. Conduct internal mock audits and readiness assessments to ensure you're on track for certification. For more CMMC certification preparation best practices, visit Kiteworks.com.